Hello, I'm Paul Myles and I'm here at TU-Automotive Europe 2015, and today I'm joined by Roger Giralt, and he's Head of Connected Car at SEAT. Hello, thanks Roger, thanks for joining us.
You're welcome.
Can we start first of your role with the connected car within SEAT? Could you explain that role?
Right. I'm working at Centro Técnico SEAT, where the R&D at SEAT is done, and I'm responsible there of leading the connected car on the technical aspects.
Okay. And this technology, how do you see it changing the relationship between the car maker, between SEAT, and its existing customers and the customers of the future?
Well, it's changing a lot actually, because currently the cars that are not connected, we cannot really connect to the customers either. Once we have those cars out on the field, we only have one point of contact, which is when the dealers are receiving these customers. If we don't have the car connected, we don't have then a continuous connection to our customers, and therefore that's really big change, because from now on the customer can understand us and we can understand them much better by having this close relationship and connection.
Will this connection also give SEAT an opportunity for commerce to make more money out of this technology?
Well, actually, that's something that we are exploring right now. That's right to know that what we want is, of course, to provide a better service to our customers. And then if providing these services also means to have some collaborations with other companies that are not directly maybe attached to automotive right now, but they are somehow doing some businesses around the automotive, and this provides much better services to have this collaboration together to our customers. Of course, that's a good point to start with, and also creating business alternatives. Yeah.
With opportunities come challenges. We've seen already that we've got quite a bit of technology in the modern cars, and yet 70% of people with this new technology aren't using it. How do we look forward to engage more with the customer to make sure this technology is relevant for them?
Yeah, you're right. Actually, it's a complex technology that creates difficulties to provide it in a user-friendly way. Of course, I believe that technology has to be more friendly to the customers, but also I believe that the network points have to be well trained to make the customers understand better this technology. So it's kind of cultural thing that we have to change in all aspects, not only on the technical side, but also on the, let's say, all the complete network has to be transformed to understand better also what we are going through, to explain well to the customers what are those functionalities, how to use them, and that will be then the good result at the end, to provide a good product and to explain it very well.
Right, the connected car term covers a wide area, from telematics to mobility, ADAS, through to the autonomous vehicle. At the moment in time, what two topics, if you had to choose, would you see are the most important, the hottest topics in this area of the connected car?
I believe it's digitalization, which is wider even than connected car, because by providing a car connected, you don't have the final solution. You really need that the customer, during all the journey that he is doing with the car and by pre-purchase or post-purchase, all this digitalization is done inside also SEAT, that can understand what the customer preferences are, and when the customer owns the car, what are the needs of the services that we have to provide, and when the car then it's at its end, that the customer has so much satisfaction on SEAT that later on decides to again purchase another SEAT car. But for this, you don't need only to have a connected car, you need to have the complete company connected and digitalized. So digital is one aspect, and I think that one other aspect that we are talking a lot today is personalization, that we really create an experience to the customer, its own experience, that it's very mean to him or to her, and it's personalized.
Absolutely. And we've seen in the last 5 years this technology take off. It's getting everywhere at the moment. Is that acceleration of technology going to increase, or will it just be a development of the existing technology we have?
It depends on how you think about this technology. if you think the technology on the base of inside the car, I believe that, of course, OEMs, we are pushing hard to develop faster cars, to develop much more quicker than we are doing today. But in the same way, we are trying to do it also in a safe way. So yes, we speed up those development cycles on the car side, but we keep those development cycles in a safe way. So we will not go through a very quick development cycles like the consumer electronics in car parts. What I think that we can learn and also accommodate to the automotive world is that the consumer electronics is developing consumer electronics things very fast. And the part of the car that has to be attached to consumer electronics, then this part, we will try to synchronize it in a different cycles of development, so we can then have this very speed development on that side. And one example is we are using this full link technology, which is smartphone integration at SEAT side. And by having this technology being developed also on the smartphone side, we can have very quick development cycles over there.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you. Bye.